Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play goalie in NHL 24. First, familiarize yourself with the fundamental controls. The left stick moves your goalie, while the right stick controls your butterfly and paddle down positions. Always aim to stay square to the puck, maintaining a ready stance. This foundational positioning is crucial for covering the lower part of the net and reacting quickly to shots from any angle. Practice these basic movements to build muscle memory. Effective positioning is key to becoming a great goalie. Always strive to cut down the shooter's angle by moving out slightly from your goal line. Imagine an invisible line from the puck to the center of your net. You want to be on that line. Use the butterfly slide for quick lateral movements, covering the lower net effectively. Anticipate passes and shots, adjusting your position proactively to be ready for the next play. When a shot comes, quick reflexes are paramount. Use the right stick to perform various save animations, like glove saves or pad stacks, depending on the shot's height and direction. After a save, focus on controlling the rebound. Try to direct the puck into the corners or behind the net, away from opposing players. If the puck is loose and safe to cover, use the cover puck button to stop play and prevent second chances. To elevate your game, incorporate advanced techniques. The poke check can disrupt passes and shots before they become dangerous, while the stick save can deflect pucks. Always anticipate cross-crease passes, quickly shifting your weight and position to cover the new angle. Consistent practice is vital. Spend time in free skate mode, refining your movements and reaction times. Playing against the computer on various difficulties will also sharpen your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.